2 blocking.
What is the most important thing to know when hoisting?
The weight
The
of
weight.
The weight of the load.
What is safe working load of 3/4 inch wire rope, and show your work?
This feels like Jeopardy.
3/4 times 3/4.
2,700 pounds.
Roughly.
3/4
A
times
wedge
3/4.
socket is approximately blank percent of the strength of the rope.
I didn't
A
know
wedge
that.
socket.
A wedge socket is approximately blank percent of strength of rope.
Might be answers.
Is it 75?
IWRC stands for
Independent wire core.
whenever hoisting only blank fittings of weldless construction.
Forge, arrow, and steel.
Just describe constructional stretch.
The first initial stretch.
A load can be lifted over personnel or pedestrians, true, false.
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 Load weight is calculated to include all rigging material, block or ball, and load line, true or false?
False.
True.
Oh,
If possible, keep slinging angles greater than what degree?
45.
45.
35.
35.
Greater
I
than
thought it was 30.
Oh, greater, greater,
Isn't
greater.
it 30?
It gotta be on the 45.
45 degree angle, yeah. If a forklift is involved in the tip over, what should you do?
Run.
Five.
Stay inside the forklift. Keep your
All
seatbelt
ropes
on.
conduct what when wet? Why is it important not to shock load a crane in below freezing weather?
The
If you break the line.
wires are more susceptible when it's below freezing to breaking.
Okay. What type of natural fiber line is the only one suitable for construction rigging?
Grade A.
Grade A. Or grade 1.
Vanilla grade 1. Safe factor, factor of safety of blank to blank is used to hoist material.
5 to 1.
When working with wire rope, sharp bends and corners always need blank to prevent damage.
Softness.
A good rigger always ties a knot and hitch as if.
His life depended on it.
Knots and bends reduce the rope strength by 40 to 50%. True, false?
True.
True.
False. I thought it was 10 to 15.
25.
Hitches is the blank hitch is the anchor point of a line in a fiber line reeve system.
Thank you.
With the hook at its lowest point on the crane, there should be at least blank full turns on the drum.
3.
What is the most important thing to know when hoisting anything?
The weight of the load.
Weight of the load.
A couple of math questions, definitely. Your anchor point for the lanyard for the harness you are wearing should be able to support blank pounds.
5,000.
What is the most important purpose of the ID plate on a forklift?
To know the safe working load.
To go to maximum.
maximum. The max capacity.
pick.
A Flemish die with a metal sleeve, when made properly, will
100%.
develop nearly blank percent efficiency of the wire rope.
100.
Rule of thumb, spacing of wire clips on a wire rope.
3.
You're halfway there. The shackle
Yes.
commonly used in rigging is
Boats, not the boats.
The
maybe
U,
it was
the
other one.
U-bolt.
what are the two types of cores in wire rope construction?
Fiber and IWRC.
What type of rope should be used in multi-layered windings on drums?
Right leg.
Fiber. No, fiber
No.
should never
Lane
be.
leg.
WRC.
Means to supporting, blank means to separate the full block from the fixed block. Blank means to separate the full block from the fixed block.
Oh, it's lower the line.
You're gonna have a tough week ahead. Length is the distance at which a strand makes one complete revolution around the rope axis.
Lay.
There's more to it.
Lay length.
The flanges on a groove drum must project either twice the rope diameter or blank inches beyond the last layer of rope.
2 inches.
Why is it wrong to assume that a 3 or 4-legged hitch will safely lift the load equally on all legs?
Only two of the legs
One's a balance.
support, one's
Yeah.
balance.
What type of sling would you use so as not to crush or damage a load?
Basket.
Yeah, double wrap basket.
Regulations for construction projects would require that a blank and maintenance program be implemented.
Safety.
Braking.
Inspection.
Oh, yeah.
Inspection. A come along that requires the use of a blank to move a load is inadequate for the job.
Shear board.
What does the independent wire rope core help to resist?
Abrasion.
Crushing.
Oh, yeah.
Beam clamps are commonly available with capacities up to blank tons.
And
12.
Name 3 things a foreman on a rigging operation is responsible for. What is the person instructing the crane operator what to do?
Signal.
Seemingly insignificant changes in sling angle drastically affect the blank.
Capacity.
Nope.
The stress on the road.
What type of sling would you use so not to crush or damage a load? That's a double. You didn't get it the first time. Snatch block could be a single or multiple shift block that blanks on one side.
Opens.
The blank angle in the imaginary line between the center of the lead shiv and the center of the drum.
yeah.
If a harness or lanyard looks worn or has been used in a fall, what should be done with it?
Take it out of
Run
service.
away.
When using a shock absorbing lanyard, how far is the estimated fall distance?
18.
18 feet.
Blank is a bend or U-shaped curve in a line.
Fight.
What is tied at the end of a line to prevent it from unwinding?
Whipping.
Nylon is approximately blank times stronger than manila.
Twice.
What rope, which rope is stronger, natural or synthetic fiber?
Synthetic fiber.
When hoisting with rope, what should never be exceeded to ensure everyone's safety? Hitches reduce rope strength by,
10 to 15%.
a splice reduces a rope by,
1.5.
a standard wire rope used for rigging unless otherwise stated is understood to be,
Regular way.
the 2 most important factors in choosing a wire rope are blank and blank.
Abrasion
Safe
and
working
crushing.
load.
When working with wire rope, that's a double, a blank eye with pressed metal sleeves is recommended for all rigging and hoisting. That's a double.
Flemish.
Basic unit of wire rope construction is?
Wire.
Yes.
That's your question?
I wanted
I
to
guess
say
it
that.
was.
but
Spreader beams are usually used to support blank loads during lifts.
Long.
What do steel shivs provide for blocks? Web sling should be inspected for,
Rips or tears.
if a single vertical hitch represents 100% efficiency of a given diameter wire rope, what is the efficiency of these chokers as a single choker hitch and a single basket hitch? Winds can greatly affect the stability of blank and also has an effect on the load. You guys got a long week. Hand signals, what's this mean?
Up.
Down.
With line. Down.
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 Travel.
No, to the right.
Travel.
Right? Swing to the right.
Swing?
Swing to the right.
What does this mean?
No.
Slow.
No?
Oh, go slowly.
What does this mean?
Everything slow?
Everything's slow after that point?
Stop. Emergency stop.
Emergency stop.
What does radius mean in terms of a crane?
The center to the, center to the boom?
To the center pin of the crane.
Who appoints the shop steward?
Lost.
Manager.
How many associations do we have?
Two.
What are they?
Handset precast. You need full name?
No, good enough.
Vincent Precast.
What's CBA stand for?
Contractual binding agreement.
What is a derrickman?
So,
Definitely gonna be math, there's gonna be equations you gotta figure out. Wire rope clips.
Are you gonna be able to look at charts with equations?
No, because you have the rule of thumbs.
Okay, so it's, okay.
Splices and reading will be on the final.
Go down to the bottom.
So explain how to coil a new box of rope.
Uncoil.
Uncoil a new box of rope.
I think there's enough for a review. You got that last study.
She gives that smile.